Property Owner Files, Season 11, Episode 6, The Contractor Who Made It Worse, 28K and 2 Lost Months. Intro. There are bad tenants. There are expensive repairs. And then, there are the people you hire to fix those repairs. Sometimes, they're the ones who cause the biggest disaster of all. This landlord had already survived a difficult tenant. The unit was empty. Insurance had settled. The damage was documented. The hard part was supposed to be over. All he needed now was someone to put the property back together. Instead, one bad hiring decision cost him another $28,000, delayed the project by 2 months, and turned one renovation into an even bigger nightmare. Today, we're talking about one of the most overlooked risks in property ownership. Because landlord horror stories don't always begin with bad tenants. Sometimes they begin with the people you trust to repair your investment. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. If you enjoy practical stories about real estate, rental property investing, property management, and avoiding costly landlord mistakes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with another property owner. Let's open today's file. Part 1. The horror story. The property wasn't beautiful, but it had potential. After months of dealing with tenant damages, the landlord finally had possession of the unit again. Fresh estimates came in. The repairs looked manageable. He interviewed several contractors. One estimate stood out. It was significantly cheaper. The contractor promised, "I'll finish in 3 weeks. You'll be collecting rent again before next month." It sounded perfect. Work started immediately. The first week looked productive. Drywall arrived. Old flooring disappeared. Paint cans showed up. Everything looked like progress. Then, the phone stopped getting answered. Workers disappeared for days. Materials never arrived. Every conversation became another excuse. Waiting on supplies. Crew got delayed. "We'll be back Monday." Monday became Friday. Friday became next week. When the landlord finally walked through the property, he couldn't believe what he saw. Crooked cabinets, uneven flooring, exposed electrical wiring, plumbing leaks behind newly installed walls, paint covering damaged drywall instead of repairing it. Nothing had been completed correctly. The city inspector later failed multiple portions of the renovation. Now the landlord had 2 problems: the original damage and the contractor's damage. Part 2. How the disaster unfolded. At this point, the project wasn't simply behind schedule. It had become more expensive than starting over. The landlord hired an independent inspector. The report was brutal. Electrical work violated code. Several plumbing connections leaked. The flooring had been installed over moisture-damaged subfloors. Some repairs actually made future damage more likely. The contractor had already been paid a large portion of the project cost. Recovering that money would likely require legal action. Rather than continue arguing, the landlord made a difficult decision. Terminate the contractor. Document everything. Start over. A second contractor was hired. This time, every license was verified. Insurance certificates were confirmed. References were called. The project moved slower, but it moved correctly. 2 months later, the unit finally passed inspection. By then, the landlord had lost another 2 months of rent. Combined with repair costs, delays, and correcting poor workmanship, the mistake cost roughly $28,000. The cheapest estimate became the most expensive decision. Part 3. The Contractor Verification System. 215. This story wasn't really about construction. It was about screening. Assertive landlords screen contractors with the same discipline they use for tenant screening. Here's the Property Owner Files Contractor Verification System. Step 1. Verify licensing. Never rely on a business card. Confirm active licensing with your state or local licensing authority. If a contractor can't provide proof, the conversation ends. Step 2. Verify insurance. Always request current proof of liability insurance and, when applicable, workers' compensation coverage. One accident on your property can become your problem. Step 3. Call recent references. Don't ask, "Were you happy?" Ask, "Was the project completed on time? Did the final price change? Would you hire them again?" Those answers tell the real story. Step 4. Use milestone payments. Never pay most of the project up front. Tie payments to completed work. Progress earns payment. Promises don't. Step 5. Inspect every week. Don't disappear until the project ends. Walk the property. Take photos. Ask questions. Small mistakes are inexpensive. Large mistakes require demolition. Step 6. Document everything. Every estimate. Every change order. Every invoice. Every conversation. Documentation protects both the landlord and the contractor. Most contractor horror stories aren't caused by dishonesty alone. They're caused by weak systems. Part 4. The bigger lesson. One of the biggest myths in property management is that the job ends when the tenant leaves. It doesn't. That's often when the next important decision begins. Every person who works on your rental property affects your investment. Your contractor, your plumber, your electrician, your inspector. Good systems don't stop with tenant screening. They extend to every professional you hire. That's what experienced landlords understand. Conclusion: every property owner will eventually face unexpected repairs. The goal isn't to avoid every setback. The goal is to avoid turning one setback into two. If today's story helped you think differently about managing contractors, don't forget to purchase the landlord bundles linked below. Inside, you'll find contractor interview checklists, maintenance tracking templates, inspection forms, tenant screening documents, and the operating systems we use throughout this channel to help prevent many of the costly mistakes featured in these episodes. If you found value in today's file, please like this video, subscribe to Property Owner Files, and share it with another landlord. Next time, one small decision can ripple through time, leading to unforeseen consequences in the realm of investments and opportunities. The data we hold unveils many possibilities. This evidence demonstrates that each choice, no matter how insignificant it may seem, ultimately shapes the trajectory of our financial paths. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover just how profound the impact of these decisions truly is. Until then, build better systems, protect your properties, and own with confidence.